Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at a 2016 Toyota RAV4. Now this is a 5-passenger SUV in black, driving on 17-inch wheels. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. We're going to take a look inside the driver's side first. Now in the door, you have your power windows and locks, some storage on the bottom. Inside, this RAV4 comes equipped with black fabric seating and all-weather mats. And next to the door here, you do have your adjustable side mirrors as well. On the steering wheel, you have your audio controls, hands-free calling. You have your cruise control behind here on the right side. And you also have this display button, which allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. If we keep cycling through, you can see this RAV4 has 138,470 kilometers on it. Taking a look at our display here, you have your standard AM and FM. You have your hands-free calling shortcuts on the right side here as well. Underneath is the climate control. It is a single zone. You have these sturdy little dials here. Now on the very bottom, you have some storage and cup holders. Some of the features you have here includes your Eco and Sport mode, along with your USB auxiliary and your 12-volt outlet. Taking a quick look inside the back, there's some storage on the bottom of the door. We are continuing with the all-weather mats and the black fabric seating. Behind the front passenger and driver's seats, you have some extra storage compartments, and the rear seats do fold down. There's a little handle here. If you pull that upwards, seats will fold, give you access to your cargo. To access the cargo from the outside, there's a little button hidden underneath the Toyota emblem. We can give that a press and that'll open up. Now if we take a look inside here, you can see you have plenty of storage space in the back. Like I mentioned, the rear seats do fold down. That will always give you that extra bit of room. Taking a last look at our Toyota RAV4, once again, some of those great features includes your all-weather mats, cruise control, hands-free calling, a hood deflector, and turn signals on the side mirrors. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.